In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mind map in Miro. If you're looking to visually organize your ideas and make connections between different concepts, mind mapping is an excellent tool. So let's dive right into it. First things first, let's go to Miro's website. Open your browser and type in miro.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Give it a click to start the process of accessing your account. Now it's time to sign in. You have the option to sign in using your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method is most convenient and easy for you. Once you've entered your credentials, proceed by clicking continue with email or the appropriate option, and you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard. With access to your Miro account, it's time to navigate to your board. On the dashboard, find the board you want to work with and click on it. This will open up your workspace. Now we're getting to the exciting part. Look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a plus button. Clicking this button will present you with various options and tools. What you want to do next is search for Mindmap. A good tip here is to simply type in Mindmap in the search bar, which will help you locate the tool with ease. As soon as you find it, you'll notice a pin icon next to it. Clicking this pin will add the Mindmap tool to your toolbar for quick and easy access in the future whenever you need it. Now that you've pinned the Mindmap tool, let's bring it to life on your board. Click on the Mindmap button you just pinned and you'll be prompted to choose from a variety of templates. Select the template that best suits your needs, or the one you find most visually appealing. Once you're ready, add it to your Miro board and voila, you've plotted your map. Of course, the power of mind mapping lies in customization. You can start by adding your own fields specific to your projects or brainstorming session. Simply click on the fields to edit the text and add relevant information. Need to rearrange the layout to suit your thought process better? No problem. You can effortlessly drag the text and various elements to their new positions. This flexibility helps in tailoring the mind map exactly to your liking, enhancing both creativity and clarity. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a mind map in Miro. Whether you're planning a project, organizing ideas, or even strategizing for your next big brainstorming session, Miro's mind maps are a fantastic way to visualize and make sense of complex information. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to experiment and discover all the possibilities that mind mapping in Miro can offer. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.